Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on starting a workout on the Realme Watch 2. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Press the side button to wake the watch's screen, then swipe up from the bottom of the screen to open the app menu. Scroll down the menu and tap Workout. Now tap on the type of workout that you would like to record. Tap Start to begin the workout. Your watch will count down from 3 and then the workout will start recording. You can see all of your workout info here, and if you scroll down you can see some additional information such as calories burned. To pause the workout, press the side button. You can tap the play button to resume the workout. To stop the workout, press the side button and then tap the red stop icon. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Realme Watch tips and tricks.